Hello students, in previous video we have discussed about present indefinite and present continuous tense. Now let's come to our next tense, present perfect tense. First of all, rule of the tense is subject plus has or have as helping verb plus past participle form of the verb. In general we use verb's third form plus object. Now where to use has or have? If we are having subject he, she, it and singular, we will use has, and if we are having I, we, you, they and plural, we will use have. So this is the affirmative sentence. If we want to write negative sentence, what will be the change? Subject plus has or have plus not. To denote negative sentence, we will use not with has or have plus past participle form plus object. And next, if you want to write interrogative sentence, what will be the format? Has or have will be in the starting plus subject plus verb's third form or past participle form of the verb plus object and at last question mark. This is the rule for write interrogative sentence of the present perfect tense. Now where to use present perfect tense? It has only one basic rule where to use when the action is completed. Means जब कोई एक्शन कंप्लीट हो चुका है देन वी विल यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. लाइक शी हैज सबमिटेड हर प्रोजेक्ट. मीन्स शी हैज सबमिटेड, उसने अपना प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट कर दिया है, दैट्स वाई शी हैज कंप्लीटेड सबमिटेड द प्रोजेक्ट. दैट्स वाई प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस हैज plus verb's third form. And what will be the negative form of this sentence? She has not submitted her project. And interrogative will be has she submitted her project with question mark. So that is the rule and uses of present perfect tense. Now let's come to our next tense, present perfect continuous tense. What is the rule of this sentence? Subject plus has or have plus been plus present participle form, means verb's first form plus ing plus object. This is the basic affirmative sentence rule for this tense. In negative, subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus present participle, means ing form of verb plus object. And in interrogative, question word will be in front, has or have plus subject plus been plus present participle form of the verb plus object with question mark. Now where to use this tense? This tense is used to show an action which has been started in the past and continue in the present. Means ऐसा action जो past में start होकर present से भी continue हो रहा है जिसका time given है. For example, he has been trying to solve the sum for 1 hour. Means since from last 1 hour the boy is trying to solve that sum. इसमें आपको time भी given है और वो अभी भी continue कर रहा है. तो what will be the negative form of this sentence? He has not been trying to solve the sum for 1 hour, and the interrogative form will be has he been trying to solve the sum for 1 hour with question mark, as it is interrogative sentence. So that is the use and rule of present perfect continuous tense. That's all for this topic.